Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. Today we're going to be replacing my rear emblem. As you can see, it's very beat up. I got a new one. This one is black and silver. And yeah, it's not OEM, but I really liked how it matches the white color instead of the blue. So yeah, we're gonna go with this one. And I got this from wish.com. It is from China. But to me, things like badges and plastic pieces, I don't really mind if it's not from BMW. So it's supposed to be really easy to do. Let's get started.
Sometimes I still fantasize about being normal.
So OEM on the right and knockoff on the left. I think, in my opinion, they're pretty similar. And quality-wise, definitely the knockoff is cheaper. They're both plastic, so. And there we go, guys. Super easy, super simple. I actually hit this with plastic dip glossifier because I've seen some people rock these cheap emblems and they tend to yellow over time. And the glossifier with the fade buster protects from UV, so we'll see if plastic dip really does the trick. And I'll keep you guys updated on whether or not these become yellow. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.